This is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. This is video number 21. Let's talk about cookies. Cookies are a way for you to pass values from one page to another. Here is how it is done. To tell the truth, I don't use cookies much. I prefer to use a super global called session. And for me, it's a better way. Cookies do have some things that's okay, but cookies can store values in your browser. If a user doesn't have cookies enabled, then it will not work. Your program will break. This is why I prefer sessions. We will talk about sessions right after, but now let's create a cookie with the name, value, expiration date, and make it available throughout your site. We're going to use a function called setcookie. This is how it's spelled. Setcookie, like that. And you can put it before the HTML, like right here. But I know it works here too, so we're going to use it over here. So let's keep that one. Let's keep that one. And we're going to call this one the name of the cookie that you want to name your value. So what we'll do is we'll say something like my friend, my cook. About that, my cook. And then we're going to give it a name. We're going to say Nancy. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use this thing called time function, the time function. It's like this. The time function gives you the current time. And that's going to be the current time plus the number of seconds in a day. And I know for a fact it is 86400. Trying to remember. And then of course we're going to do the little slashes. And then don't forget that semicolon. Like that. See, that's how that works. And if you need to you know, like to look at it, like to call it up to see if you did it, you can always do echo here. Let's say here it is. Man, I got a echo. Whoa. Then we're going to use the super global, right? Called cookie. Like that. Then of course you're going to have your little brackets, square brackets, because that's an array, right? And let's do a semicolon there. Let's put some in quotes. You got to give it the name of the actual cookie. So we'll do the, yeah, you can say that. That's the actual cookie. That's what it is. Okay, let's go boom. Let's see, make sure I spelled that right. Why is there another? Sorry, it's supposed to be right here. We go do, we got the dot. Let's put a little space here. Doesn't matter, you could kind of keep it like this. But you know, for getting the practice of giving, you know, spread it out a little bit so you can at least take a look, you know, like you can analyze some things, your script a little better. You don't get confused and want to pull your hair out. Okay, what happened here? Undefined my cook. It's pretty interesting that it's not doing it. Let me see. Oh, well, you can. This cookie, you can do a small one. You can do so. This is undefined my cook on line 14. Why would it do that? Let's see. This doesn't make any difference, to tell you the truth, but let's give it a shot. Oh, it does. Well, there you have it. Does not like the actual. If you're gonna do this, it only likes the single quotes. Even though I did break it over here, that's kind of strange. Okay, yeah. Well, there you have it. I don't use them. I don't like them, but this is how it's done. So, like if, for instance, we could do this too. We could say cookie name, and let's say client. Then you want to say dollar cookie value old man PHP. Okay, and then we want to set. I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to show you that you can use, and you can take this one. That will be the name, right? You're going to put it right in here. And then you're going to take this one. Put it right in here. And of course you'd be able to look. So you did it. So what you do is you can say the same thing. What should we use here? I mean, we could check for them. That would be a good thing. How about we do that? Let's check for them. So we say if is set. If it's not set, you can say cookie space right here. 1, 2, of course, shows curly. Let's do the else. So now we can give you 2 of them. So we're gonna take. I'm gonna say echo name of cookie. Then you could say the dollar cookie, right, and semicolon. And let's put something else here. The echo. How about the echo? Echo. And that would be value of cookie. Let's do this. This one would be the cookie name. Where would I put it? Right here is cool. Yeah, we don't need this right here. I'm going to do this instead. And then it says, I'm going to say is not set. Then this one, will work. Boom. Then we could take the same ones. Let's put it over here. And we could say is set. And I guess it could be the same thing, the value. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Oh, we're gonna mustn't forget this one here. Okay, what the hell, man? 32, where are we? Did I misplace? Something is not. Did I spell that right? I don't know what cookie spells like. Cookie name. This is the most strangest thing because let's see, look. Hello Nancy, name of cookie client is set. Where is it? This is okay. I'll tell you what, let's do this. Okay, this is set. Client is set. Where are we? Client is set, but for some reason does not like this one. Why? What's the difference between this and this? You have your two dots. Name of cookie is something says it here. It's set 33. Why doesn't it like this line? Do you see anything weird? Ah, I know why. Sorry, folks. This is super global. See, super global. Why did I forget that? There you go. Sorry about that, dudes and dudettes. It's gonna happen, right? And I'm glad this is happening because it makes you stop and will think about it. I'm pretty sure you guys caught it in time. There you have it right here. Although a little bit of spacing would be a lot better. Let's see. Let's do and over here. So basically, let's see. There you go. The client is set, which it happens to be this one. In your value of cookie is the old man PHP. If I took this off, then I'll go to this branch. See, it is not set. Which means that, oh yeah, it is set because we already saw it that it's set. It's going to give me this. I mean, I could have switched this over. I could have just gone like this. And then put not. You understand? So when you go like this, it is set. But if you put this telling it, hey, if it's not set, then do this branch which you already saw. And you'll go back to this one. which happens. So I'm going to put an extra T so you know what I'm not lying to you. See, extra T. I avoid using cookies because you can't be sure that the user will have cookies enabled. A lot of times they don't. People don't even know. A lot of times when the browser probably has it automatically there, but there's times when people just don't want to see cookies and they turn it off. A session, which happens to be this dollar session, that right here, super global. I prefer that. It is a wonderful way to store information variables that will be used across your multiple pages. And unlike a cookie, the information is not stored on the user computer. See, cookie stores it right on your computer. Don't worry, it's not gonna go in there and pull out data from your computer. It just doesn't have that capability. But it stores stuff there so that way later on you notice how you visit a website and you're gonna put a username and password and it kind of puts it all in there for you because you already gave it consent for it to do that. So cookies enable. Get it? So we will talk about the session in another video. And I forgot to mention that this was going to be a short video. We reached the end, and if you enjoyed this video and you want, I want for you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This will help grow my channel, and on the next video I will talk more about the events PHP time zone.